Hello guys, review POCO F5 Pro. This version 12 GB memory and 256 GB internal memory, black color, open box and loop completation. In completation we have protected back cover and documentary device, and on this adapter for charging with quick charge and Type-C cable. Okay, turn on device, open settings, about phone, version MIUI 14.0.5. On the back side, triple camera, on the front side 6.7-inch display. We don't have slot for micro SD card, or we have only slot for 2 SIM card, and don't have a slot headphones port. Okay, turn on. Look onto the benchmark results. We have CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, this octa-core processor, and GPU Adreno 730. Very good result. Best results 1,300,000. Open Guitar Sunrise. Look how this game works on the device. And game works perfect. Okay, close this. Now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.